How do you download your own TikTok videos? TikTok might be shut down or banned anytime, and it's good to have a backup of all your own videos. You can also download your own TikToks to use them for uploading to YouTube Shorts and earn money here on YouTube. Here's how to download your TikTok videos without a watermark to your phone in 4 easy steps. Step 1. Open the video that you want to download. This has to be one of your own videos though, so make sure you're logged in. Step 2. Click on the 3 dots on the right hand side here, under the comments and like icons. That brings up this menu. Step 3. We have all these options along the bottom here. We are going to choose Save Video. And you can see the percentage download bar going up to 100 while it downloads. Step 4. Now it's offering us a Share To menu. You don't have to, but you could email your TikTok video to yourself or even send it to WhatsApp. Just click on the icon here and it opens up a new email with your video as an attachment. Your TikTok video is now saved on your iPhone's camera roll or on Android in the internal camera folder. So it's showing up for me here in Google Photos. And if we play this video file, we can see that it doesn't have the TikTok logo watermark. The video is clean, which will really help it to get more views if you're going to upload this to YouTube Shorts or Instagram. Congratulations! If this is working for you, let me know down in the comments, and thank you for hitting the thumbs up or the subscribe button. It really helps me to keep this channel going, so thank you. And right here are all the TikTok tips you might need if the TikTok app is banned or shuts down.